water. Again, different religions, but the same concept is there.
There have been many wars on religious grounds in human history, but in our experiment, water reacted to individual words that had a religious content by forming beautiful crystals.
So this doctor, Dr. Emoto, has taken water and he's done experiments with it and seeing how they respond. How does water respond to spiritual words? Let's see.
This means that the conception of our nature coincides with each religion.
That means religiously, if by our nature it's compatible, nature and religion is compatible. Otherwise, how it's affecting each other in this way? How are we able to just pray and water in food can change? That means by nature, our nature and the nature of the planet is religion and nature are compatible. So that's a very interesting thing to see that. How is that so?
The Christian prayer.
So this was the Christian prayer. It was prayed onto water, and this is the shape that it formed.
The Buddhist prayer.
This is the Buddhist prayer.
The Muslim prayer.
This is the Muslim prayer. So I'm sure you may be thinking, well, what the Hare Krishna prayer would look like, huh? Well, I don't know if Dr. Emoto has tried that yet, but it would be interesting.
Dr. Emoto presumes that serious crimes are committed most of all in areas where people curse the most often.
So crimes are committed more where people are cursed the most often. Why? Because cursing is a negative energy, and the human body is made up of 80% water. That means by that energy, by that thought, by that energy, we are changing the body to negative, to perform and act negatively.
Idiot.
This is the word idiot. This is the shape it makes.
I hate you.
This is the shape I hate you. You can see no symmetry, no beautiful shape, very disfigured. So if you're constantly telling people I hate you, I hate you, I hate you, you're actually changing the water structure of their body to become like this. Now you see why people get sick. What a deep science this is. Have you ever heard anything like this before? This is Krishna consciousness.
Laboratory containers of water were inscribed with hieroglyphs denoting words and the names of well-known people.
So now they tried, let's put people's names. Just speak out people's names and see what effect it has on water. Let's just see that.
Love.
So this is love.
Hope.
This is hope.
Soul.
This is soul.
Mother Teresa.
This is Mother Teresa. So you can see a perfect, beautiful shape.
Hitler.
And this is Hitler. Now I'd like to ask you, if these ordinary names of people who are mortal within this world can change the structure of water like this, then what can the chanting of the holy names, Krishna's name, do to our body? If these are just ordinary mortal people and they're able to change, just their names is able to change water in this way, then chanting the holy names every day, 2 hours a day, Krishna's name, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. As a spiritual practice, what do you think is happening to our body? Don't you think the body is changing? Because the body is made of 80% water. So the body is also changing. So this is scientific proof of the chanting. That if ordinary people's names, this is the shape Hitler's name makes water change to. And you saw Mother Teresa before this. So what does Krishna's name do? What is the level that Krishna's name can purify and change our body? Now we see tangible first-hand proof that by the chanting of the holy names, water can change directly. And by the chanting of Krishna's name, then what can it do for your body?
Dr. Emoto's numerous experiments aimed at finding the word that cleanses water most powerfully.
So, in the conclusion, then, Dr. Emoto was saying, what is the one word? Is there one word that will change water the most powerfully? And what would that be?
Have shown that it is not just one word, but a combination of two.
So, Dr. Emoto is saying it's not just one word, it's a combination of two different words. Wow, let's see what. Because those words will be able to purify water the most rapidly. So, and seeing that our body is 80% water, then our bodies will be purified at the most rapid pace. So, what is those two words?
Love and gratitude.
So, it's these two words, love and gratitude. And this is the foundation of Krishna consciousness. This is the foundation of spiritual practice. And this is what Krishna is saying. Why? If you offer with love and devotion, then I'll accept. Because this is the thing, he is not because he wants to accept it, it's because for our benefit. Can you see that? It's because if we eat that kind of food, then, which is offered with love, we the ones who benefit the most at the end, because that will change the structure of our body. And the body is made up of 80% water. Now, can you see how scientific each thing that Prabhupada has given us is so amazingly scientific?